beautiful butterfly in your garden? So beautiful they are now, different color. Butterflies of varieties of color, all the color of rainbow. Okay, they are having all the color of rainbow and they look very beautiful. Everyone likes butterfly, and when anyone will say you draw a butterfly, you will draw it very nicely and you will draw it beautiful than me. So you can draw butterfly nicely. Now children, today we are going to discuss the life cycle of butterfly. What we are looking now, how the butterfly is looking, it was same as when it born from the egg, when it hatched from the egg. Is it same? No. When it hatched from the egg, it looks very ugly. It was not such a beautiful, stunning, okay. After when butterfly become adult, then only it becomes stunning and beautiful color. So today we will learn about the life cycle of butterfly. Like other insects, already we have discussed about cockroach, grasshopper. So like other insects, butterfly also lay eggs. Okay. Not like mammals, they give birth to young ones. They lay eggs. Like birds only, they are laying eggs. But from the eggs, the baby butterfly is not coming out. Some different thing is coming out. And then after some different stages, they will cross different stages, and then after they convert into a adult butterfly. But in bird, simply when egg hatches, a beautiful small baby bird only comes out from there, no? Which looks like a adult bird only. But here there is a difference. And the life cycle of butterfly, the other name we used to call metamorphosis. Metamorphosis is the process of changing of egg by different stages into a adult living creature, adult things like butterfly or anything. Okay, that is only known as metamorphosis, and simply we are saying life cycle. Okay, because it is just like a cycle, so we used to say life cycle. Butterflies, in the life cycle of butterfly, there is a 4 stages. In the life cycle of cockroach, we have seen that there is only 3 stages, but in butterfly there is 4 stages. Okay. First of all, butterfly lay eggs on the surface of the leaves. They used to lay their eggs. Where they used to lay their eggs? On the leaves only now. You can see. And in the egg, it grows and hatch as a larva. This is a larva, okay? When hatches, a worm-like, you can say it is a worm only now, a worm-like creature comes out from it, and that is known as larva. And the larva of the butterfly, we used to say, called by a different name, caterpillar. So larva of the butterfly we used to call caterpillar. So you can see the caterpillar here is here, and the main work of caterpillar is to eat and eat and eat. Okay? So they used to eat leaves. They are in the leaves only now, so they used to eat leaves only. They are eating these leaves. Okay? First they used to eat, and by eating the leaves, they grow. Okay? When they grow, then they shade their leaves because it will be uncomfortable. It is tightening. Okay, their skin is not now tightening. So they shed their skin. They shed their skins, and the shedding of the skin is known as molting. The shedding of the skin is known as molting. In the life cycle of cockroach, we have learned there also now that males used to shed their skin several times, and the shedding of the skin is known as molting. So here also this larva used to shed their skin to feel comfortable, because inside they are having a bigger skin and which is more comfortable for it. So they used to shed their leaves, and the process of shedding of they used to shed their skin, and process of shedding skin is known as molting. After that, this stage, after this caterpillar stage, this larva used to cover their body in a case, protective case. Okay. Now the work is over here, eating work is over. So they used to cover themselves after eating. Now sleeping. Okay. So here it is sleeping inside the one protective covering. They only make their protective covering by themselves. This covering is known as chrysalis. Okay. In which covering, this case, which case they used to cover their body, that case is known as chrysalis. And this stage of the butterfly is known as pupa. Okay. Caterpillar now convert into pupa. Here inside the case there is a development process going on. They are converting themselves. Okay, larva is now converting inside the pupa into a beautiful butterfly inside the case only. So here inside the case the development is carry on, and after they break this case, okay, this chrysalis, and a beautiful colorful butterfly comes out from it. What we used to see now, flying here and there, that beautiful butterfly, they are coming out from the pupa only after development. So ugly this butterfly is looking now, so beautiful. How much changes is there, you can see now, so much changes is there. When it hatched from the egg, it looks like this, and after development, it looks like this butterfly. Okay. And this type, so butterfly is having 4 stages. Okay, they are having their life cycle is having 4 stages. First stage is egg. Second is larva or caterpillar. Third is pupa, and at last adult butterfly. Similarly, housefly and mosquito is also having this type of life cycle only. They are also having 4 stage of life cycle: egg, larva, pupa, and then mosquito, egg, larva, pupa, and then housefly. So housefly and butterfly is also having same type of life cycle as the housefly and mosquito is also having same type of life cycle as butterfly. So only difference is there. The larva of the butterfly we used to call caterpillar. We used to call caterpillar now larva of butterfly, but the larva of housefly we used to call maggot. Okay, the larva of butterfly we used to call maggot, and the larva of mosquito we used to call wriggler. The larva of butterfly mosquito we used to call wriggler. So in butterfly we are saying caterpillar. In mosquito we are saying larva as wriggler, and in housefly the larva of housefly is known as maggot. Now draw this life cycle of butterfly neatly in your copy. Thank you, children.